He's not only the founder of Alipay, Alibaba and Taobao, but also one of the most richest men in China and a billionaire. As a part of the Taobao Mega Festival, they will also hold the show here directly at the West Lake. And here on the screen you can see it, but the actual show takes place just behind the screen. So what we see is just several meters from us apart, but we can't go there because we are not invited. But we have the chance to see it on the screen here. Who you just saw was Jack Ma. He's not only the founder of Alipay, Alibaba and Taobao, but also one of the most richest men in China and a billionaire. But why he is here? Because I told you already, here they hold the Taobao Makers Festival, so they had a show for this occasion and he attended it. And as all of his headquarters are based here in Hangzhou and he also lives here, that's why, yeah, you can see him sometimes in the city or at the lake for some special events concerning his companies or maybe some other occasions. We are now at our favorite restaurant, the Grandma, and you first have to go to the front desk and get a number, and then you have to wait until they call your number, and then you can go to your seat. So sometimes it happens you have to wait for half an hour or an hour, but it's really worse because the food is really good. We just have to wait for one more call, then it's our turn, and then we can go inside and have our favorite food. And the good thing is you can already choose your food in advance, so you will get already the menu and you can cross what you want to have. Problem is, it's just available in Chinese, so you have to translate it, or you have to bring somebody like this one who can speak Chinese, read Chinese and find the food for you. So we are now in the restaurant, so when your number is called, a table will be assigned to you, and then they will give you the letter and the number of the table. So our table today is B23. And yeah, then you can just give them the menu, which you already filled out in advance, and then just wait for your food, which then will arrive in a random sequence, and you can just start when the first dish arrives. So I just show you around briefly for the restaurant. So there are different sizes of tables. For example, we have now a two-person table, and there are also different waiting lists depending on the size of the table. So there are other tables which have a bigger size, and like you see here, there are also some rooms which you can book when you have, when you come with a bigger group, then you are separated from the rest of the restaurant. It's also quite nice. And what you see here is they put a screen up there, so you can have a look in the kitchen. So you see also how the food is made. Also very interesting. So here's our first dish, and it's sweet and sour pork. They do it very delicious here, and I will try if it's good as I remember. And also the second dish arrived. Yeah, it's just just scrambled egg with chives, but very good in this hot pan. So let's try the pork. If it's any good. Pork is very good. Then try the egg. Also the egg tastes very good. In the past, they put some stones in between the egg, made it harder to eat, but now they don't put the stones here anymore. And the advantage is you also have more eggs, so I'm happy that they don't put stones anymore. Our third dish arrived, and it's some cabbage with pork and some chilies in it, and usually it's also very good. Tastes good as always. So that's a dish you can also get basically all over China, and usually it tastes similar. It tastes always very good. So actually you want to pay here. The standard is to scan this QR code and use Alipay to pay for it, and then just leave after you paid. So as we don't live here in China usually, we don't have Alipay, so we want to pay in cash, and it's a little bit more effort to do the standard, to do the non-standard process to pay with cash. So we have first had to explain them that we don't have Alipay, that we can't pay with our mobile phones. We have to use the old way. We have to pay with cash, but they will do it and it will work. But expect that everything in China works with mobile payment now, and if you don't have it, it's hard.